Well, Snappa can make you $950 for free. Yeah, this is the make money online methods that I'm able to show in this video, that you can use very easy method. This is, you do not need any skills, you do not need any money to invest. All it takes is just simply follow this video and you're good to go to make more than $950 every month or every day. The more work you do, the more money you will get. So jump back into the strategy. The site that I'm about to show is called redbubble.com. Yes, this is redbubble.com. This is the site that we are looking for. We are here for t-shirt. They have t-shirts, various type of designs, mobile cover, various type of things that people print on demand, or they love to get some printed designs on them and they want to personalize them, and they love this type of things. This is really popular things nowadays. So all it takes is simply, we are going to use this, we are going to design t-shirts, and then we are going to go to Redbubble and open our shops and we are going to sell it. But yes, wait, we are not going to need to be a graphics designer. We do not need any graphics knowledge, we do not need any extra design skill or anything like that. Just simply stay with me. I'm going to show you how you can easily make this for free. So if you just go over to Redbubble, if you're new to these websites, you can browse through it, you can go every categories, you can browse it. There are t-shirts, they have pillows, they have bottles, they have pictures, they have masks, many items they have that we can work with. So for example, if we just sell t-shirts here, so t-shirts are like $20, around price is $20. So if you imagine, if you just upload a t-shirts and you get like 10 to 20 or even 100 customers, you will easily make thousands dollars with this. So how it is, how you're going to get this and how you're going to make this type of designs, you can see that this is the things we want to make in this video. So we are going to design some things that is very easy, and that for that I'm going to show you a site which is called Snappa. Yes, this is the site which is snappa.com. So if you just go over to Snappa, I have just, for example, I have just written a text. I paused my games to be here, and just you see they have a lots of graphics out there. You just search it, you just enter it, you make your designs. They have lots of designs, vector designs, they have photos, they have various type of backgrounds like this you can use in your t-shirt designs or any designs you like. It's all pre-made, pre-built. You just simply add it to the canvas and change here and there, change the graphics and change the text, and you're good to go to be a good designer. Really, if you just simply you simply just made this type of things, you collect it, you add one or more graphics to this place, and you simply see that the opportunity is limitless. You can just think it like sometimes, give it some times, and you are going to come up with a good ideas about how you can combine those designs into really good graphics. So it's simply just, when you are ready with your graphics, is simply save it or download it by clicking here, and you download it to your PC, and then you simply go to Redbubble and you simply create your product here. You simply create add design, then add this design, downloaded design, to Redbubble and add it to your t-shirts, and then name it like that. People can buy it from Redbubble. So when you get completed your t-shirt designs, you just simply get that t-shirt's link and then promote it to social medias. But how you can going to get traffics from social media. I'm not going to go into conventional way. I'm going to show you a unique way. I'm going to introduce you a new websites that right now you have to jump back into actions right now because it's getting popular, but it's brand new and it's getting popular really fast. So the social site that I'm to show is called parlor.com. Yes, parlor.com is a new Facebook type websites, Facebook type social media sites, and which is getting tractions, which is getting people's attractions very fast, and they have a really good options. If you simply go to these websites and just open an simple free account, no money needed, you simply go there and you see that they have a hashtag features right here. You simply search for any hashtags related to your t-shirts. You simply, like, if I search for like cats, you see that people's related to cats and hashtags, all the hashtags, if there is any related to cats, you see all the cats related hashtags are out there. So simply click on any hashtags and it will load all the posts people are posting about related to cats. And this is what the magic happens. You simply go over to Parlor, open an account, and upload your design, your t-shirts link from your Redbubble shop to parlor.com. And it's not like Facebook, it's very easy, and they are really relatively new, so it's easy to promote. You simply, they accept links, they accept post, you simply post it with your hashtags, related hashtags within your post, and no matter what, people today or tomorrow will going to see is these posts, and definitely cats lover going to buy your t-shirts. If you make a t-shirt, see, if you make a t-shirts like this, it's very easy to make and you can get customers very fast in this way. So this is it, guys. You have to be active. You do not need to work with one t-shirts, you have to make hundreds of them, and you just simply upload it to Redbubble, make the design on Snappa, and share your shop links or t-shirt links or product links to parlor.com, and you get more and more targeted traffics within days or months. So if you just continue doing it, thousands dollar, it's not very far. You can make more than that with ease. So this is it, guys. If you are liking this method, please press the like button. If you are not subscribed yet, please go down below, press the subscribe button with the notification bell, so you always stay with my channels, stay with my videos every day. Want to check more of my videos? Please check these boxes out there. See you in the next video. Till then, stay well and thanks for watching.